Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best flex power tool sets available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking to upgrade your toolbox or invest in a power tool set that delivers outstanding performance, this is the video for you. You can find the product links in the description below. So, let's dive right into the countdown. At rank number 5, we have the Flex 24V Brushless Cordless 2-Tool Combo Kit. This set is perfect for drywall professionals or DIY enthusiasts who need specialized tools for drywall installation and finishing. It includes a screw gun with a magazine attachment for efficient screw placement and a cutout tool for precise cuts, both powered by Flex's 24V battery system. The tools feature sensor-free brushless motors for optimized efficiency and power. The design is ergonomic and lightweight, allowing for long hours of use without fatigue. The screw gun's tool-free attachment adjustments make it highly versatile, while the cutout tool offers flexible dust control for cleaner workspaces. These tools are supported by a fast charging system, enabling quick turnarounds on demanding jobs. While the FXM 203-2A excels in performance and durability, it's not as versatile as some of the other combo kits on this list. It's ideal for drywall-specific tasks, but lacks the broader functionality of drill, driver, or saw tools. If you're focused on drywall work, this is a solid investment. However, for general-purpose use, you might want to consider other options. Coming in at rank number 4, we have the Flex 24V Brushless Cordless Brad Nailer Kit. This tool is a game-changer for anyone working on trim, cabinetry, or crafting projects. With a runtime capable of driving up to 2,200 nails on a single charge, it's built to tackle large-scale projects without interruptions. The high-speed functionality delivers up to 3 nails per second, making it one of the fastest in its class. Design-wise, the FX4331A is compact and lightweight, reducing user fatigue during extended use. It also offers thoughtful features like a quick depth adjustment lever, tool-free jam clearance, and dry fire lockout, ensuring precision and efficiency. The triple LED light system provides shadow-free illumination, perfect for low-light environments. The primary downside is its singular focus as a brad nailer, limiting its versatility compared to multi-tool kits. However, for professionals or hobbyists focusing on woodwork or trim, this tool's performance and reliability make it a standout choice. It's durable, efficient, and optimized for precision jobs, backed by Flex's impressive 24V battery system. At rank number 3, we have the Flex 24V Brushless Cordless Drill Driver Kit. This tool is perfect for users who need a reliable, compact drill for day-to-day use. With 750 inches of torque and a 2-speed gearbox, it's versatile enough for drilling into wood, metal, or masonry. The all-metal ratcheting chuck ensures durability and a firm grip on drill bits. Even during heavy-duty applications, the design is sleek and compact, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. The LED light is a lifesaver for working in dimly lit areas, and the sensor-free brushless motor ensures long-term efficiency without overheating. It also offers exceptional runtime, capable of drilling up to 80 spade bit holes in 2x4 lumber with a single charge. The FX11512A is a solid performer, but lacks the multi-tool functionality of larger combo kits. For users who need a dedicated drill that's lightweight and powerful, this is an excellent choice. However, for more versatile use cases, you might opt for kits that include additional tools like impact drivers or saws. Ranked at number 2, the Flex 24V Brushless Cordless Impact Driver Kit is the budget-friendly option on our list, but don't let the price fool you. It's packed with power. Delivering 1,800 inches of torque and a maximum rotational speed of 3,400 RPM, this impact driver is ideal for driving screws and bolts efficiently. The sensor-free brushless motor ensures durability and smooth operation, while the compact design is perfect for working in tight spaces. The kit includes two 2.5 amp-hours lithium batteries and a fast charger, offering exceptional runtime and quick charging capabilities. The LED light is a thoughtful addition for illuminating dark workspaces, and the lightweight design makes it easy to handle for extended periods. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional contractor, this tool provides excellent bang for your buck. The downside is its limited scope compared to multi-tool combo kits. It's a single-purpose tool designed for impact driving, so if you need versatility, you should consider other options higher up on this list. However, as a standalone impact driver, the FX1351-2A is unmatched in its price range. Taking the top spot at rank number 1 is the Porter Pable 20V Max 6 Tools Combo Kit. This premium combo kit is the ultimate solution for users who need a versatile, all-in-one set for various tasks around the house or job site. It includes a drill, driver, impact driver, circular saw, reciprocating saw, oscillating tool, flashlight, and a USB charger. Each tool is powered by the efficient 20V Max lithium battery system, which offers excellent performance and runtime. The build quality is impressive, with durable materials and ergonomic designs across all 6 tools. The drill driver features a 2-speed gearbox and built-in LED light, while the circular saw boasts a high-performance motor and beveling shoe for angled cuts. The reciprocating saw and oscillating tool add even more versatility, making it easy to tackle demolition, cutting, and sanding tasks. The flashlight and USB charger round out the kit with practical everyday functionality. The PCCK617L6 is the most expensive kit on this list, but it delivers unmatched value for users who need a complete set of power tools. Its versatility, durability, and performance make it a standout choice for professionals and serious DIYers alike. If you want maximum utility from your investment, this kit is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right flex power tool set for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy building.